So today I got myself a DJI Mic 2 camera adapter for Sony that lets you get rid of this wire for connecting the receiver. So let me unbox it for you first. Here, this is a tiny little device. So it's only compatible with a few select Sony cameras that you can check out right there. This actually needs these little pins here, that this contact needs to be there. So installing it is pretty simple. This opens up and slide it in. There you go. The thing with this is that it doesn't power up by itself, because when you connect it by wire, you can set it up so that it automatically powers on, but that doesn't work with this little device. So you will have to manually power it on. Another thing is that it only faces the screen here, because there's no way to rotate it. So that's kind of a disappointment for me, because one good thing about the receiver is that this is touchscreen. So what's the point if you try to do this and you actually need to rotate it and control? So if I turn it on, yeah, there you go. So yeah, it works. So let me show it to you from here. So it sticks out quite a lot actually. And from the front, it doesn't look all that great. Let me just show it to you through wire. So this is how I would normally use it. Like, this looks quite a lot better to me and doesn't stick out. I can have it face forward so that I can control everything through here. And let's go back to the other wireless style. There you go. And turn it on. And just to show you whether the automatic on and off works or not, I'm gonna turn it off, and obviously it doesn't work. It still is on. Yeah, it does stick out quite a bit. I'm not liking this look. Yeah. Okay, so the one big issue that I had with the Smallrig A7C Mark II cage was that as is, I could put it on, but if I try to put in the wire, I couldn't, because this bar gets in the way. And it's the same story with the other way around. Even if I face it backwards, because of this part, I couldn't get the wire in. So there was no way for me to actually use the hot shoe here. So I had to either put it here, which, because there's no tightening mechanism, I can't put it in here, and here either. It just slips out. So that's the main reason why I got this, so that I can use the receiver with the cage on. So let's see if that's gonna work. There you go. It fits in perfectly. Turn it on. And turn it on as well. And let's see if the audio indicator is working. Works. So with the cage on, I think it's more balanced. I mean, it doesn't seem as weird. It doesn't seem like it's sticking out a lot. And from this side as well, certainly it looks better. Yeah, and let's check out the audio. I'm just gonna record the audio with this. This is audio check, audio check. This is the audio check with the wireless adapter. Audio check, audio check. This is through the wired connection. Audio check, audio check. This is through wired connection. So that is my first impression of the DJI Mic 2 Sony adapter. As far as the look goes, it's okay with the cage, not bad. But it would have been nice if I was able to turn this around and rotate it, because certainly I would like to have something like this, right, rather than that, so that I can change stuff around through here. So that is one bad thing about it. But for 35 bucks, you can do a lot worse than this. I certainly appreciate DJI making this a cheap alternative to having this wired connection. So yeah, that's about it. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.